the brightness on that clip.
That's pretty cool. I think you can tour down there, but not currently. So down here, if you look, you can see the old fortifications of the citadel that was here. I'm sure there's more over there too, right? I'm gonna go 10 seconds and see if this battery runs out. So normally you can go see the fortifications by going down there, but I think it's COVID closed.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Wow, this is beautiful. Imagine being able to stay at somewhere like that.
Yeah, that's gotta be something else.
If we're rich one day. So for us to get rich, you know what they have to do? Like and subscribe.
Oh. I was like, rob a bank for us?
No, we do not condone you robbing a bank for us. If you come here in about a month, I guess, you can get on a little toboggan and shoot down there.
Fascinating.
Yeah. I was looking at the times to book it, and they open in like mid-December. So we're here about a month early, I think. It's pretty cool though. It's been going on since 1884.
Is that dependent on snow, or is there like...
No, I don't think it is. Just being cold.
You go down on like a cart then, with their wheels?
No, I don't think so.
Is it filmed?
They
Is it
probably just put some artificial snow if it's not. I don't think we mentioned that this is called Dufferin Terrace, did we?
No.
So this walkway here, all in front, called Dufferin Terrace. I just wanted to tell the camera about how well coordinated you are with the railing. I'm gonna go stand over by the railing, show the camera how you could perfectly camouflage into this railing if you wanted. He's the same color and the same pattern, like a chameleon. Like, that's crazy. You posh man.
Sent a recon team first, did some surveillance.
Very cool. How are you doing so far today?
Good.
Been having a good time?
Yeah. I chose to wear fancy dress shoes, which is slowly murdering my feet because we like to walk a lot.
Yeah.
But other than that slight self-imposed inconvenience, I am having a grand time.
Me too. I think fairly soon though I might need some food.
Okay.
Let's seek out some poutine.
Hey, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
When in Rome, eat the Roman equivalent of poutine.
Sure.
Lower Quebec.
That boat down there.
Yeah. About the Citadel.
So up here is the Citadel, which I believe when it's open, which it isn't because of COVID, I believe, you can go and see like reenactments, much like we did when we were at Fort George in Niagara. But otherwise, you can kind of just walk around it, and that's just as cool in my opinion. Hey?
Yeah, very cool. Are you cold?
My My hands are great now.
Yeah, fall coloring is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's probably not normal for it to be this colorful in November.
No, probably not.
Some shots and shoes because they're murdering my feet. See that, internet? Look at those nice shoes. What's the picture?
Of leaves.
Oh,
This is a beautiful walk along here.
gorgeous.
Yeah. I don't think this is part of Dufferin Terrace. It's just kind of a little walkway.
There was a sign when we started this walkway saying we're celebrating 350 years or something.
Oh yeah, 350 years of Quebec City or something. That's true. I did say that.
Yeah.
Made it to the other end of the Citadel and I'm treated with this viewpoint here. It's crazy. Beautiful warm sun, the orange leaves, and back over there is the Citadel. It's really cool. Didn't realize just how much there is to see here, like even without going into anything. There's a lot to see. So, COVID, take that.
Outdoor strolling views. Those
Yeah.
are my favorite.
Yeah. So we're walking around the Citadel now, but this is, I believe, the Plains of Abraham over here, which I'll show you in a second. That's where the battle between the French and the British happened over what was, I guess, Canada at the time. And both the general for the French and for the British were killed during the, I think it was only like a 15-minute battle or something crazy like that. And I guess the British were ultimately victorious. I guess that's part of it. Is it like the whatever many years war? We'll insert how many years war it was called. But yeah, this is where the final battle took place. It's beautiful. And that's the Citadel over here. Plains of Abraham over here. And us in the middle of the road.
I guess
Trying to
there's
get by.
specifically a walkway.
Yeah. No drone zone. Because I think it is an active
Oh,
base.
I didn't know that.
On Google Maps, whenever it's like a military thing, they'll like cross out the area with lines and it'll be red.
Okay.
And the whole Citadel says that. So I think it is still considered an active thing.
I doubt they're firing those cannons very often. Huh?
Yeah. Oh, speaking of that, we have to tell them about the Cannonball tree at some point.
Yeah,
Is now the time to tell them about the Cannonball tree?
you might as well.
Okay.
All the way leading up to this trip, I was very excited about one specific location to visit.
Yeah.
I kept saying how like, oh, I haven't seen any videos about this. Can't wait to make a video about this.
Yeah. So there's a cannonball that they don't know how it got there, but there's a cannonball in the base of a tree that's just along a road here in Quebec City. And I thought, that's so cool. I haven't seen anything about that. I'm so excited to see that. So like a week before we came here, I'm doing research about where that is, where to find it. And Cannonball has been there for over 300 years. They friggin' dug out the tree and got rid of the cannonball in June, like a couple months ago.
Quebec City's famous Cannonball tree has become a spectacle. The massive elm, over 100 years old, is sick and needs to be removed. For years, it was believed the roots of this tree had captured a stray cannonball from the 1759 Battle of the Plains of Abraham.
300 years, and they get rid of it right before we come.
It's funny, the article we read said that they were worried that the cannonball was explosive.
Yeah.
So they wanted to remove it to make sure that, no know, blew up, I guess.
I guess so.
But the article also said that when it was removed, they discovered that it was not.
Yeah, so there is plans now to put it back, like some kind of, make an art piece with the cannonball in the same spot.
Oh, I didn't know that.
But obviously they haven't done that because they just dug it up a couple months ago. They also took out the whole tree in order to do this, so yeah, eventually, maybe by the time this video is out, they'll have done something because we're really far behind on our footage. Maybe not.
Like, after 300 years, like, how dangerous could it be?
Yeah. Well, we'll update you if we figure out anything more about this cannonball. But yeah. There were like actual military guys down there, you see?
I didn't see that.
Yeah. Looks like you can kind of walk on the Citadel a little bit. That's pretty cool. You can see the Chateau Frontenac over here. Pointed out to Phil.
So,
There's the Chateau Frontenac. And maybe if you look far enough, you'll see the Taipei 101. It's really cool. It's over there. I don't think you're supposed to go up on the wall, so we'll see. You were saying it is so strange that, yeah, a place that is active military type place is also a huge tourist attraction.
Yeah.
There's the military guys like screening people coming in and stuff.
Probably other examples of that we're not thinking of, but it seems
Yeah.
like one would interfere with the other pretty prominently.